Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing the Boxycharm unboxing for January. I already opened it, and it's called Boxy and Chill. So I got this brow pencil, which I've been using, if you could see. It's called $1 Billion Brow Universal Brow Pencil. And it says the spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth, creamy formula makes for easy application, and it's worth $18. And I didn't think I was going to like it, but it's a good color for me. It's like dark brown, so that works for me. Yeah, so that's worth $18. Then I got this Briogeo repetitive leave-in conditioning spray, and that's worth $12. Let's see, what does this say? Effectively restores your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco milk spray infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rose hip, argan, and coconut oils. It works for detangling wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture and diminishing frizz. So yeah, that's great. Awesome. And I like the way it smells because I already sprayed it on my hair. I also got this long-lasting liquid lipstick, which I'm not too thrilled about this color. I don't even know what the hell the color is. It's from Ofra. And this is what it looks like. So it's like a burnt orangey brown. I don't know. I'm thinking about giving it to my daughter because I'm really not into those colors. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and that's worth $20. Did I say that this was worth $12? I don't remember. But yeah. So this matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color, perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. I don't know what color it is. I guess it's Miami Fever. That's the only thing I see right there is Miami Fever. So yeah, I got that. Then we got the two masks. The Tatcha mask, the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, which I think was cool. So it's those kind you just, place over your face. It's supposed to be a great brand. So yeah, we got two of those. So it's like getting 6 items in the box for $21 because they gave you 2 masks instead of 1. So I'm thrilled about that. And those are worth Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack. $24. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant, dewy, luminous glow. Yeah, so I didn't obviously try them yet, but I know this is a good brand. I've had like a spray or something from them that I liked. So yeah, I was excited to see that. This I'm not too thrilled with. I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I believe I have the 2. I wanted to get that other one. It was like a pinky looking case. Like this was like pink, I believe. I forgot what it was called. Because I opened this one. And it's like your basic colors that I probably have in I don't know, my, like chocolate bar palettes, or what's the other brand I have? My Tarte palettes, the, what the hell are they called? I forgot. The, I can't remember what they're called. But, you know, like, it's all nude colors. Like Urban Decay, I have the nudes and all that. Maybelline, the nudes. And this is, like, kind of like the nudes to me. But the only thing is that they're shimmery. You could see. So we got this. I mean, I'm not saying they're not nice colors, but I feel like I have them already, you know. So there's that one. And this one's nice. But I'm sure I have things that are similar to this, you know. You see? It's like, I don't know. Here's a brown one. Oh, it looks gold on. That's nice. Like a copper. That's nice. I didn't even realize that until I swatched it. That one's very bright. And then there's the light one next to it. I put that in the middle there. And then there's this one. Looks like this. And then this pink one. Right there. And yeah, so that's basically all the colors. Yeah, I just feel like I have them already in other palettes, so I would have rather get the other one, but it's nice to add to the collection, so I'm okay with it. And that is worth Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3, $36. So yeah, I mean, I don't mind it. I'll use it, you know, but I'm sure I have similar colors that I could probably find in other palettes, but that's okay. I'll just add it to my collection. So that's what I got for this month, guys, January. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.